Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are fine and safe at your home. Today we will start subtraction converting tens. Book page number 47. Come to the question. Now look at this question. 627, 241. Now as you know that we always start from the ones column, so let's start. We have 7 and 1 in ones column. You can clearly see that 7 is greater than 1, so we can subtract 1 from 7. So let's subtract. I will start with the number after 1 and go till 7. So what is the number after 1? 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 minus 1 is 6. Now come to the tens column. Now you can see that we have 2 tens and 4 tens, and 2 is smaller than 4, so we can't subtract 4 from 2. So what we do? We will borrow 1 from hundreds digit, so it will become 12 and it will become 5. Now we have 12 tens and 4 tens. Now subtract 4 from 12. I will start with the number after 4 and count. Now count. The number after 4 is 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So count how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the subtraction of 12 and 4 is 8, means 12 minus 4 is 8. Now come to the hundreds column. We have 5 and 2. 5 hundreds and 2 hundreds. Now subtract 2 from 5. You can see that 5 is greater than 2, so we will easily subtract 2 from 5. Now I will start with the number after 2 and go till 5. 3, 4, 5. Now count them. 1, 2, 3. So 5 minus 2 is 3. It means we have 3 hundreds, 8 tens and 6 ones. Now come to the question. Let's solve part B. You can see that we have 427 and 7, and the other number is 65. As you know that we always start from the ones column, so let's start. Now we have 7 ones and 5 ones. You can see that 7 is greater than 5, so we can easily subtract 5 from 7, because we can subtract smaller number from bigger number. So I will start with the number after 5 and go till 7. The number after 5 is 6. 6, 7. How many boxes are there? 1, 2. So 7 minus 5 is 2. Now come to the tens column. We have 2 tens and 6 tens. You can see that 2 is smaller than 6. We can't subtract 6 from 2. So what do? We will buy 1 from hundreds column. So it will become 12 and it will become 3. Now we have 12 tens and 6 tens. Now you can see that 12 is bigger and 6 is smaller, so we can subtract 6 from 12. Now I will start with the number after 6 and go till 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Count how many boxes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 minus 6 is 6. Now you can see that, students, we have only one digit in hundreds column, so we will write this digit as it is in the answer column, or you can write here 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Now let's solve part K. And student, remember that we always write greater number on the top. Now you can see that 417 and 267. You can see that 417 is the greater number, so we will write this number on the top. Now let's start subtraction. As you know that we always start from the ones column, so this is the ones column. So let's start subtraction. 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Now come to the tens column. We have 1 tens and 6 tens. You can see that 1 is smaller than 6, so we can't subtract 6 from 1. So what do? We will borrow 1 from hundreds column, so it will become 11 and it will become 3. Now you can see that 11 is bigger than 6, so we can subtract 6 from 11. I will start with the number after 6 and go till 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many boxes are there? 5. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the subtraction of 11 and 6 is 5. Now 3 and 2. The number after 2 is 3. So how many boxes? 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the subtraction of 417 and 267 is 150. Now students, rest of the question is for your homework. You have to do these questions on your book.